If you're looking for a simple and clear way to plan your budget and see your entire year in one place, this planner is for you. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through how it works and how you can use it to track your needs, wants, and savings in an easy and organized way. The annual budget planner comes in 4 different color themes. In this video, I'll be using the dark theme, but all 4 themes have exactly the same features. The only difference is the color style, so you can simply choose the one you like the most. The planner has 2 main pages, a setup page and an annual budget page. The setup page is where you fully personalize the planner based on your own needs. You start by entering your currency symbol, then your start month and your start year. After that, you define how you want to split your budget between needs, wants, and savings by manually entering the percentage for each one into the related cells. Then, for each of these 3 types, you can add up to 50 categories, which means you can keep it very simple or make it more detailed if you want. Once the setup is complete, you move on to the annual budget page. Based on the start month and year you entered, the planner automatically shows 12 months side by side. Let's start with the first month. First, you enter your monthly budget at the top. Then you start adding your transactions by filling in the date, category, and amount. The category column includes a drop-down menu, and when you choose a category, the planner automatically assigns it as needs, wants, or savings, so you don't need to enter the type manually. From there, everything else is calculated automatically. For each month, you can see your daily average spending, how much money you have left to spend, and a donut chart that shows how your spending is divided between needs, wants, and savings. The total monthly spending is displayed right in the center of the chart. Below the chart, you can clearly see how much you spent for each type compared to the budget you defined in the setup page. And you can also track this visually with 3 progress bars, one for each type. On the left side of the page, you'll find your annual overview. Here, your annual budget, annual daily average, and total annual savings are calculated automatically. You'll also see a donut chart showing your overall needs, wants, and savings percentages for the entire year. Below that, there's a table that shows how much of your annual budget each type represents, both in percentages and amounts. You'll also find a monthly spending breakdown chart where you can compare all 12 months and see exactly how each month is divided between needs, wants, and savings. Right under that, there's a monthly budget versus expenses chart, so you can easily compare your planned budget with your actual spending for each month. At the bottom, there's a detailed table that shows your budgets and expenses for all 12 months. There are also 2 additional sections. The first one is the reminder section, where you can track upcoming payments with a checkbox, due date, description, and amount. The planner automatically calculates how many days are left until the due date, and if a payment is overdue, it will be clearly marked and highlighted. The second section is notes and to-do, which you can use for budgeting notes, reminders, or anything else related to your finances. Overall, this planner is designed to be simple, clear, and easy to use. It's ideal for anyone who wants to plan their budget without getting overwhelmed, track an entire year on a single page, and focus on needs, wants, and savings in a structured but flexible way. You can use it every year, choose any start month you like, and you're not limited to starting in January. The link is in the description, where you can also check out all 4 themes. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll keep creating planners to make your life easier, and I'll see you in the next video.